Hello everyone, this is Limon. Welcome to the bookkeeping video tutorial. If you have a small and simple business and you want to do your own bookkeeping, you might try our bookkeeping templates. Let's go on a tour how it works. You can see it light up with nine nine sheets. The first sheet is set up, then income log, expense log, monthly dashboard, custom dashboard, quarterly dashboard, annual dashboard, 5-year dashboard, and tax dashboard. We will start with the setup tab. The first thing you need to do, set up the start year and month from the drop down list. So this way you can select the date, month and year for the start month and start year. So let's say I keep it January and keep it 2024 and select. Then you will have to select the currency from the drop down list. If it is not in if your currency symbol is not in the list, you have to add the symbol in the below list. Then you will be able to select it from the drop down list. So let's say we keep it as a pound. So once it is set up, it will appear everywhere in this sheet. So in the next step, you will have to enter your income and expense categories. Let's add an income. Let's say YouTube AdSense as an income category, and staff salary as expense category. Okay, once you have done that, you need to move right side on this sheet. Okay, in this step you have to enter your monthly profit goal. Here I have entered here some random dummy data for the profit goal. You can set up monthly goal as many as year you want. I enter 15 years profit goal. You can set 3, 5, 10, whatever you want. If you don't need 15 years or 5, you can make it 5 years and erase all of this. If you want to make 10 years profit goal, you can erase the rest of them. So once setup done, once the setup page is done, you can go to the transaction tab. So there is two transaction tab, one for income log, another for expense log. In this tab you will have to enter all the data about your income and expense transactions. So basically you will have to enter the date. For that you will have to double click on the date cell. Let's say I enter a transaction for 2 days, so double click on this cell. So select the date and so you can select the transaction date like this way, and then you will have to select your transaction category which you will set up in the setup tab. So the drop down list show based on this setup tab. So let's say I would add itsy cell and right here the amount 100, tax $10, and the net amount come itself, calculate itself. So you can also enter some description and notes or remarks here. So this is the same way for the expense log. You can enter here your expense log, and so be careful when you enter your transaction in these two tabs, because this tab will be auto populated to all the other tabs. So these two sheets is very important, and use it carefully. After that, we move to the monthly dashboard. So the monthly dashboard, the only thing you have to select the month and year from the drop down list. Let's say for the month March, as you can see everywhere changes by itself. So you will have yours total income, expense, profit loss, profit goal, and deviation from the goal. All these things will changes automatically, and you can see the status for this particular month. You will also see a list of your income and expenses below, and there are few graphs: income distribution, expense distribution, profit margin, and daily profit loss status. You can see also from here. So after that, we move on to the customs dashboard. It's very useful. You can you able to select any date range for this dashboard. For example, I want to check my status from 1st February to the last 30 April. So all the status will show within this date range, how much income, expense, profit loss, and profit margin for within this date range, and all the status, all the table, and the income summary, expense summary, and other things you can see from the custom dashboard. And the next one is quarterly dashboard. Same way, same thing here also. Select the year and quarter, then you will be able to see all of the status for this quarter. All the graphs and all the scorecard will show you your status for this particular quarter. Same way in the annual dashboard, when you select the year, it will show the status for this particular year. It's pretty simple. So you don't have to do anything with these others. All of these functions and all of this data is automated, and everything will pulled from these two income and expense log. And for the 5-year dashboard, here you can see the 5-year comparison, yearly comparison. For example, not only 5, you can compare more than 5 or less than 5. If I want to compare last 3 years, for example 2024 to 2026, so it will show you the comparison of these 3 years, how much income, expense, and the graph will show the difference for the every years, and the table will show the scenario of your transaction. And the final dashboard is tax dashboard. So same thing also here, you just select the year, so you able to see the all your collected and paid taxes, and what are the difference from those and month wise collected and paid tax status and distribution on top 5 tax paid categories. And here is the monthly summary of the tax and collected tax listed and paid tax listed. So that's it. I hope this is easy tutorial will help you to set up your bookkeeping. And if you have any question, don't hesitate to reach out. I I'm added the Google Sheet link in the below description, and you can contact with me through my mail address also. So thank you for watching.